Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about Tropical Storm Gonzalo, soon to become a hurricane. Without further ado, let's just get into it. Alright, so here it is. We have it on, first we'll start with the next 12 hours. That's it right there. And me, personally, I think this has the potential of becoming a major hurricane. It's very tightly formed. Let me zoom out a little bit. We have a high pressure system here, working very hard to keep it where it is. If it's going to follow the path, it should go straight through here. If it does go between South America, Central America, and Dominican and Cuba, it will have plenty of time to get stronger and make its way into a stronger hurricane. If it leans its way towards the Dominican and Cuba over these mountain regions here, it will weaken. So over the next 24 hours, and we're on the GFS model right now, you can see it's getting stronger there. Over the next 3 days, right? So that we're projecting this path here, but let me zoom in real quick, because what you have to see here is the wind strength. So down here it says 70-mile-an-hour winds, 67, 65, 67. It's really, really, really close to becoming hurricane status. But if we go over here, 51, 55, 71. So one more degree. Let's find it, because I know it's there. It's all it takes is one more mile per hour, and it's a hurricane. Next 5 days, yeah, see, 72. But it should weaken a little bit as it makes its way over into the U.S. Virgin Islands. And then the next 10 days, what's going to happen is we are going to have some severe thunderstorms as well. And let's look at the temperatures here. Very warm waters. Very warm waters. Let's see. We want sea temperatures. It takes a minute to update. This is very, very slow. We have currents and stuff working its way through here too, but we have very warm waters right now. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Close that out. 86. See? 86. Very, very warm waters right now, and it's going to give it the perfect opportunity to make its way into those warm waters and potentially get stronger. Right? So here it is right here. It's over 84-degree water right now. We also have a system moving off the coast of Africa, where there's a low pressure system here, high, etc. If it's coming off the main drag, if you will, for hurricanes, it's coming off the let's go over here to, here we go. Coming off the coast of Africa, we could have a problem. So here's the system right here that's coming off. Just do a quick little animation here. Alright, there's Gonzalo. And there's the other system. You see it's starting to get stronger here. So if Gonzalo doesn't do much, this one will. Again, it's fairly slow. There's Gonzalo. So we have storms here in South America, all across the United States. Very disruptive weather systems right now. This one here looks like it's being prevented from leaving Africa because of this low pressure system, and with the high pressure system acting against it, um, it's going to keep it over there. So it doesn't look like the one coming off Africa, honestly, is going to be a problem. But we're still only at Sunday. We'll just, again, we're going to have to see. Got some formation going here, Monday. This disturbance that's in the Gulf right now, I'm not worried about it. No, it's too close to land for it to have time to do anything. You'll get a lot of rain and wind, um, in the Gulf Coast areas, but nothing, tragic. Oh, there's Gonzalo there. See, it's gonna break up a little bit, but could have a chance still to develop into something stronger. We're Thursday at 8 p.m. I don't know, a Tuesday at 8 p.m. See, there it is there. Yeah, I don't think it's going to be a whole anything to really worry about now that I'm looking at it. We're approaching the first. This system here could be a problem. Honestly, I would not look for any type of active threats. I mean, there may be some tropical storm threats and things like that coming to affect Florida, but I wouldn't really expect anything until the middle part of August, even the first part of September, for it to be super serious. But again, as always, I will keep an eye on the storm and let everybody know if we have a problem. But in the meantime, it is hurricane season. You definitely should be preparing and make sure you have your supplies, check your batteries, first aid kit. Make sure you have a way of getting water, filling up your tub if something's going to happen, things like that. So that's pretty much all I got right now. At best, category 1, maybe 2, but it could be a major hurricane. It does have the potential to become one if the conditions are right. That's all I got. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.